Hello guys, I'm Alice from BSL. Today I'm going to show you our factory run delivery day. See what a weekly workload of 168 tons look like. This has been the toughest week in the year, and BSL workshop assemble technician and myself have done a great job. 200 tons will be next week. Follow me to see our factory. Let's go. Wow! We are honored to deliver 100 sets of new lithium battery to our Toyota customer this week. With advanced cell technologies, you will experience high energy output in a compact design to extend the longer battery life. Our battery technologies perform excellent in any environment, whether it's in a cold warehouse or in a hot time weather. No extra feature needs. Charge BSL lithium battery to keep your business running well. At the same time, the total cost is reduced. Call me now if you have any lithium battery needs.